Welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device with your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. First of all, we're gonna have to put our Bluetooth device into pairing mode, so make sure that your device is enabled, and then make sure that the LED indicator on it is flashing rapidly, which indicates that the device is in pairing mode. Then on your laptop, you're gonna have to navigate to the taskbar, click on one of these three icons to open the control center, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, click the arrow icon next to it, and select your Bluetooth device to pair with it. Okay, and now we are connected. To disconnect your device, re-enter the Bluetooth menu, click your device, and select disconnect. Then if you want to unpair from it, you have to click More Bluetooth Settings, then tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your Bluetooth device and select Remove Device. And wait until your device is removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.